Do you ever feel like you are drowning in a sea of admin tasks while trying to run your club? Do you desperately need more admin staff but just can't afford it right now? Imagine having a super smart assistant who's always ready to help 24/7. Today, we are diving into the world of AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E to show you how they can make your life easier and your club more successful. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'm going to share my absolute favorite AI tool that you might not have heard of, but it is an absolute game changer. Hi, I'm Anna from Club Reach Marketing, part of DigiSpark Media. Whether you're managing a gymnastics club, theatre group, or karate club, or yoga class, AI tools can be your secret weapon. Let's explore how you can use them, which ones are free, and which ones are worth paying for. First off, why bother with AI tools? Aren't they going to take over the world? Isn't it dangerous? Well, yes, maybe. But when you start using them, you realise that it's probably very unlikely. But they do save you time, they make your tasks easier, and they can help you create amazing content without completely burning out. From writing emails to designing posters, AI tools have got your back. Now let's break down some of the best ones that you can use and focus your efforts. Now let's start with the one you will probably have heard of and maybe even using already, ChatGPT. Imagine needing ideas for a newsletter. Just ask. ChatGPT will have some suggestions for you. For instance, ChatGPT, give me 5 ideas for a club newsletter and give your club details and you will get a great starting point. It's great for breaking through writer's block and getting you going. Now ChatGPT can also help with SEO. If you want your website to rank higher, ask it to generate content around specific keywords. This way you're not just creating engaging content but also improving your online visibility. And for those email campaigns, ChatGPT can craft personalised emails, whether it's a welcome message or an event reminder. It helps you maintain consistent and engaging communication with your members. Just make sure to always write at the top, I would like this in British English spelling please, and give it an idea as to your tone. Are you dry-witted? Do you want it to be serious? Do you want it to be in simple language? Think about how you would like it written. You can just start off with just give me some ideas or write this and see how it comes out, and then you can adapt it, say a little bit more funny, add a few more jokes, make it more educational. So you can add these things afterwards, give it an idea to start with, see what it comes up with, and then you can ask it to change and adapt to sound a lot more like you and a lot more natural as well. Now DALL-E, I love this. It's an AI tool that creates images from text descriptions, which is perfect for when you need unique visuals but don't have a design team. So event posters, so planning an event, just describe it to DALL-E and it can create a custom poster for you. Just type in something like create an image of a karate kid doing a high kick in a gym and you'll get a visual. Or maybe you need fresh content for social media. DALL-E can generate bespoke images, whether it's a motivational quote or a celebration graphic. Just describe what you need and watch it come to life. Now merchandise designs. So maybe you're thinking about new merchandise. DALL-E could actually design unique graphics for your t-shirts, your mugs and your stickers and all more. Tailor it with creative and original designs. Now Canva is a game changer for creating professional looking designs, and today we're focusing on its AI powered features, much as Canva is amazing in its own right. Canva's magic write can generate compelling text for your designs, so it's like having a copywriter on call. Use it to create engaging descriptions for your social media posts, flyers and newsletters. The background remover, got an image with a messy background or maybe some people that aren't allowed to be photographed, just click on background remover and it cleans it all up instantly, giving you a professional looking image ready for any design. Now Magic Media need custom graphics. Canva's Magic Media can generate them based on your description. It's a bit like DALL-E. So whether you need a fun illustration or a sleek icon, just describe it and Magic Media creates it for you. Now DID or DID, now this is actually a really fun one. Have you ever thought about creating AI generated videos? Now DALL-E helps you create a video with talking avatars. It's perfect for announcements or engaging content, personalized video messages. So maybe you want to send a personal message, upload a photo, type in your script, and DALL-E creates a video with a talking avatar. It is great for making announcements feel personal. Or maybe you need to create instructional content. Use DALL-E to create virtual trainers. These avatars can deliver consistent and engaging lessons for your classes or workshop. Or you could spice up your newsletters or social media posts with interactive video content. A talking avatar can make your announcements more engaging and fun. Let's talk money. Which AI tools should you invest in and which ones might not be worth the expense right now? So worth paying for. Canva Pro, if your club needs a lot of designs, Canva Pro is a fantastic investment. Its extra features, templates, and advanced design tools make creating professional looking graphics a breeze. Whether you're making posters for events or social media posts, the Pro version saves you so much time and effort. Now ClickUp. For clubs managing multiple projects and needing to keep everything organised, ClickUp's paid plans offer extensive project management and AI features. These include AI-powered content generation, task automation, and comprehensive integrations, making it a really valuable tool for keeping your club's operations smooth. Now ChatGPT Plus or Pro, if you find yourself relying on it a lot, upgrading to ChatGPT Plus can be really beneficial. The paid version offers faster response times and priority access, which is great for when you need quick turnarounds on content generation. It also connects up with DALL-E. So ones that you maybe don't bother right now. DID Premium. Now, while the premium features are impressive, you might not need them if you have somebody comfortable talking on camera for video announcements. Stick to using real faces for a more personal touch unless you're specifically creating animated content. Now MailChimp Premium. If you're just starting with email marketing, MailChimp free tier offers plenty of features. Only really consider the premium plans if you are scaling up and need more advanced analytics and automation. Now Grammarly Premium. The free version of Grammarly is usually sufficient for catching most spelling and grammar errors. If you're not writing extensive reports or professional documents, the premium features might be overkill for just regular club communications. And I promise to share a hidden gem that could be a game changer for your club's marketing efforts. Meet Flick, an AI social marketing assistant that's revolutionizing how marketers approach content creation. Now Flick's highlights. Now AI-powered hashtag and caption generator. Flick can generate creative hashtags and captions tailored to your content, helping your posts get more visibility and engagement. Content planning. It offers a drag and drop content calendar to easily schedule posts across different platforms. Performance tracking. Now Flick allows you to track key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time, comparing your posts to see which formats and hashtags perform best. Now affordability. With a starting price of around £13.60, I think it is a month, it is a budget-friendly option for small clubs and groups. Now Flick is particularly useful for clubs looking to enhance their social media presence without spending hours brainstorming and planning. It combines creativity with analytics, making sure your posts not only look good but also perform well. So if you're tired of the same old tools and looking for something a little bit fresh to give your social media a boost, Flick might just be the perfect addition to your marketing toolkit. Now a few tips for using these AI tips effectively. Now you want to start small. Use AI to generate ideas and drafts, then add your own personal touch and experiment. Don't be afraid to play around a bit with the tools to see what works best for your club, and mix and match. You can combine different tools to create unique content. For example, use ChatGPT to write a script and DID to create the video, or even Canva. Stay authentic. Use AI as a starting point, but ensure that your content still reflects your club's personality and voice. Now it's your turn. Try out these AI tools and see how they can transform your club's communication and content creation. If you've got any questions or need any more tips, drop a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Join our Facebook community for more discussions and support from fellow club leaders and lots of marketing tips, and let's make your club the talk of the town. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to DigiSpark Media for more digital marketing tips and tricks for your club, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.